Follow these steps to fix iPhone voicemail not working. Let's get in. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Apps. From the list of the apps, find Phone. Once you find it, open it. Now here, you're gonna find the option of Live Voicemail. Enable for this option. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then enable it. Next, force close your phone app. First, launch it. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close the app and again relaunch it. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Next up, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, check for the software updates. For that, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your device software to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is reset network settings. For that, head back and scroll all the way down. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. If none of these solutions work, force restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. With all these solutions, your iPhone voicemail not working issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.